How to get the contact informations of anyone on LinkedIn. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get the contacts informations for anyone on LinkedIn. So first thing we do is we go to LinkedIn. As you can see, we are on the home page right now, and let's just choose this person right here. It's called Hater Louise Vazé. I love this person. It's so motivational and inspirational to follow, so go follow her. Now let's see where we can find her contact information. You click on those three dots here and then click on contact info. Here you will find her contact information. This person, she didn't put a lot of contacts, but I'm sure other person will put a lot of things there. So that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.